This is the Frontier Pro PHEV. It combines Nissan's decades of global pickup expertise with Zhengzhou Nissan's local experience as the first global Nissan pickup model designed, developed, and manufactured locally in China. It possesses all the capabilities required in the new energy era. The three core strengths are rugged capability, intelligent technology, and unlimited versatility. The three key aspects of its rugged capability include over 410 horsepower of output, a maximum all-electric driving range of 135 kilometers, and a towing capacity of up to 3.5 tons, supported by 800 Nm torque. Its intelligent technologies feature a smart cockpit, L2 combined driver assistance, and sedan-level ride comfort, among many other advanced functions. Thanks to its versatile expansion capabilities, including four-wheel drive and a V2L all-scenario power supply, it delivers a unique and exhilarating driving and ownership experience. Whether it's the N7 or the Frontier Pro PHEV, both are global models launched firstly in China and will be introduced to selected global market within a year. And this serves as solid evidence of Nissan's commitment to in China, for China, to global.